bubbles go pop, pop, pop in the tub. The little baby goes scrub, scrub, scrub. Splish, splash, splash all through the night. We wash and we rinse till we're squeaky and bright. Turn off the water, grab the big soft towel. Wrap the little baby like a happy little owl. Squeaky, squeaky clean from head to toe. Now it's time to rest and watch the baby grow. Yay! All clean!